Apple might be about to go into the foldable game, and it's not with an iPhone. In fact, it's going to be with an iPad. According to Minchi Ko on Twitter, who's a really reliable Apple source, he said that in 2024 we could be seeing our first Apple foldable, and it will be an iPad. And because of this, it means that in the next 9 to 12 months that we won't actually see an update on any of the iPad Pros, which actually I think is quite a good thing, because I feel like at the moment they're really overpowered and you can't do that much on them anyway. So not having a new iPad for 12 months, but then being given a foldable iPad, I'm all here for it. That also means if you've been waiting for the iPad mini refresh, then you're going to have to wait just a little bit longer, because it's going to come in the first quarter of 2024. So 2023 could be completely dead with new iPads. Like I said, I think that at the moment the iPads are too powerful and you can't do that much with them. I know you've got things like DaVinci Resolve that have just come to the iPad now, but I still think they're a little bit too powerful. So a year without any iPads, to then go and see a folding iPad in 2024 is very exciting. I think a lot of people thought that Apple would join that folding game when the iPhone Fold came out, but it looks like that an iPad is going to be the first big foldable. And as we know, as soon as Apple jump on the back of something, that's when it becomes mainstream. So foldables being in everybody's pockets and hands might just be only a year away. With those new iPads in 2024, there is also apparently, according to Minchi Ko, going to be a carbon fiber kickstand that will attach to the back of the iPad. And I don't know whether that's going to be in a case or it's going to be like a standalone kickstand, but if it does, I don't know whether it'll even come with the iPad, or will Apple try and charge us like $250 for it like they do for the keyboards and things at the moment. I'm sure if it's an add-on, Apple will find a way to charge us for it. But because that kickstand will be carbon fiber, it means it's going to be ridiculously light and then really durable as well. I mean, like F1 cars are made out of carbon fiber, so to bring that to an iPad again is really exciting. And again, according to Minchi Ko, the company that is going to be supplying these carbon fiber kickstands and cases and whatnot is a company called Angie. And just by doing a quick Google search on their website, it looks like they do a load of different carbon fiber things at the moment, so carbon fiber tape and whatnot. So actually, it seems like it could be a really good move for Apple to go with them, if they are specialists in this carbon fiber already. And with that folding iPad, what it could mean is that in 2024, we finally get to see Pro apps on the iPad. I mean, this is the best time to bring it to a folding iPad, no? Where like you can redesign those Pro apps and you can make them foldable ready, and we just need to see something like Final Cut or Logic on an iPad. And maybe it's only a year away with the release of that folding iPad in 2024. Of course, none of this might even happen. It's just Minchi Ko saying it on Twitter, but he's also like really reliable as well when it comes to things that are happening with Apple. So we'll just wait and see. If we don't see any iPads this year, then you know there actually might be a chance of seeing a folding iPad in 2024. So let me know, what do you think of this folding iPad? Is it a good move for Apple? Do you want one? Will you get one? I know I will. I'll sell my kidney to get a folding iPad because that's just stupid. But I feel like I've not done an Apple News tech video for so long. So if you like it, then like the video and subscribe to the channel as well. And hopefully I can do a couple more of these in the next couple of weeks and follow the iPad Fold story, and hopefully it will come true. Anyway, if you subscribe to the channel, then I'll see you later.